I started my business as a side hustle, and this really, after 12 months of setting a solid foundation, allowed me to, I guess, or gave me the confidence to be that astute businesswoman that I guess have always aspired to be. And I take my business more seriously now. It's not a hobby or a side hustle. It's a bona fide business that I am growing every day. The learnings of the last 12 months, and particularly the first few modules over the first few months, really gave me a real eye-opener, I suppose, to knowing my numbers and how important it is to know your numbers. And look, there's so much jargon, and there was so much to it that I probably still am getting my head around, but just instilling some basic fundamentals and setting a really solid foundation has really helped. We track our financials on a monthly basis, and I actually get excited when I'm putting those numbers in at the end of each month or the beginning of the new month. And what I noticed was my February month, which was month 11 of this 12-month journey, we doubled. It was a record month, basically. So it was double what I had generated, or the AJ Collective had generated in previous months. So that was exciting. I did do a few cartwheels, and I may have had a bottle of bubbles to celebrate.